It's been a few weeks, I haven't done Cook the Book, and yesterday in the post I received a brand new book called Ripe Figs by Yasmin Khan, and I am good friends with Yasmin and I've been looking forward to this book. So the first thing I opened and this recipe just was shouting at me. It's the simplest little thing, so I thought I'll make it for my lunch today. And it is eggs with yogurt and chili butter. Let's get cooking. So I've got a pan, I've got a sieve, I've got some linen, and I'm just going to put 200 grams or a cup of yogurt. Now it's asking for Greek yogurt, but I'm just going to use, I've only got natural yogurt, so I'm just using that. Just going to put in there, just punch it all together and then try and get rid. Can you see the water coming out? All the liquid out. Just going to leave this in here with some weight on top. Oops. I'm going to change this from this to the fine sieve and then put some weight. I'm just going to leave it for an hour. And just got some sourdough and some butter on it. Oops. I'm going to just get some boiling water in here. Just going to get a quarter teaspoon of salt and also half a teaspoon of cider vinegar goes in. Just going to get an egg and crack it in this bowl. So turn the gas on really low heat. I don't want it bubbling away. Then just mix and make a swirl in the water. And then in that swirl, I'm going to throw in my egg. And then it just binds it all up together on its own. Then I'm going to cook this for a few minutes. Right, and that is looking pretty done. So I'm going to get this out. Just going to make one more. And it only takes 2 to 3 minutes and it starts to kind of float up, and that's when you take this out. I'm going to plate this up. In here I've got 30 grams of butter and I'm just going to melt this very quickly. So once it is done, just taking it off the heat, and I'm going to put in some Aleppo pepper. Just swirl it around so it's all lovely. So it's been a couple of hours now. You can see there is so much liquid that's come out of it, so much. So I'm just going to get this yogurt out and on the plate. Look at that. So I can add a squashed garlic but I just want to eat it now. So I'm just adding some garlic granules, a little bit of salt. Just going to mash it up. You can see the yogurt is really lovely and thick. So beautiful. Proper thick yogurt. Just swirling it. So the yogurt is beautifully thick. I've got the beautifully poached eggs here. I'm just very carefully gonna pick these up, place them on the yogurt. Look, it's still wobbling. It's gonna be so nice. And now this amazing chili oil, which has got butter and Aleppo pepper, that is just gonna go on top of these eggs. Chili. And now for the moment of truth. Okay, which one should I go for? Let's go for this one. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna... Amazing. Look at that. And I wasn't going to actually film a video today, and just the look of these eggs was so exciting that I had to film it myself, though the kids are at school. So I have to give it a go myself. Hope you will give this a go. I must tuck in. And I can't wait anymore. I'm gonna dig in. Just look at that. Whoa! Absolute beauty, with some yogurt and some bread and some chili. That is lovely. Wow. So simple. Obviously it's not ready in minutes, but you can just use thick yogurt. Then you don't have to wait for the yogurt to kind of set, and you can just make it with some nice thick yogurt if you have that. But definitely give this a go. Don't forget to subscribe and check out Yasmin's book, Right Figs. And I will see you with another new recipe very soon. Just the whole poached egg with runny yolk inside, and that spicy butter with a hint of garlic in the yogurt. All of it is beautiful. Loved it.